Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the application of serverless computing. Serverless computing is a cloud computing model in which the cloud providers manages the server infrastructure and automatically scales resources based on demand. Let's go. Advantages over traditional server-based computing including scalability. Serverless computing is highly scalable, meaning that it can easily handle spikes in traffic. Cost saving. Serverless computing can help you to save money on your hosting cost. You only pay for the resources that you use. Ease of use. Serverless computing is easy to use. You don't have to worry about provisioning and managing server. Security. Serverless computing is secure. The cloud provider manages the server infrastructure and takes care of security updates and patches. Serverless computing can be used for a variety of applications, including web applications. Serverless computing can be used to develop and run web applications. This is ideal for web applications that experience spikes in traffic, such as e-commerce website during the holiday season. Mobile applications. Serverless computing can be used to develop and run mobile applications. This is ideal for mobile applications that need to scale quickly to handle unexpected traffic spikes. Data processing applications. Serverless computing can be used to develop and run data processing applications. This is ideal for data processing applications that need to scale quickly to handle large amounts of data. Machine learning applications. Serverless computing can be used to develop and run machine learning applications. This is ideal for machine learning applications and need to scale quickly to handle large amounts of data. Here are some specific examples of how serverless computing is being used today. Netflix uses serverless computing to power its video streaming service. Netflix can handle millions of concurrent streams at any given time, and serverless computing helps Netflix to scale its infrastructure up or down as needed. Amazon uses serverless computing to power its e-commerce platform. Amazon can handle millions of orders per day, and serverless computing helps Amazon to scale its infrastructure up and down as needed. Spotify uses serverless computing to power its music streaming service. Spotify can handle millions of concurrent listeners at any given time, and serverless computing helps Spotify to scale its infrastructure up and down as needed. Airbnb uses serverless computing to power its home and rental platform. Airbnb can handle millions of bookings per day, and serverless computing helps Airbnb to scale its infrastructure up and down as needed. That's all. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.